Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix 007 First Light game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Now the first step is to turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on display, scroll down, click on graphics, and then expand advanced graphic settings, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 2 is to download DirectX. So open Chrome and search for download DirectX, and then open this DirectX end user runtime web installer website. Click on download, then run it. Click as to allow. Click on I accept the agreement, click on next, untick install the Bing bar, click on next, and then just wait to install it. Once the installation get complete, click on finish, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 3 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either you have to repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either you have to repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 3 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game, and then click on properties. And here you will see the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it and then launch the game and check. Next, disable Discord overlay. So if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Step 5 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game, and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 6 is to clear download cache. So again open Steam, click on this body Steam, and then click on settings, then click on downloads tab, and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. This will clear your download cache and restart Steam, and you may need to log into Steam again. So if you agree, click on confirm. This will close the Steam and then relaunch the Steam, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 7 is to update your graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then open NVIDIA app and then update your graphic card driver. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then open the AMD Adrenal software and update your graphic card driver. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA app and open it. Then go to the drivers tab, and here you will see check for updates. Click on it, and if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install your graphic card driver. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Step 8 is to modify game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12, or you can also try -skip_launcher launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on 007 First Light game, and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the 007 First Light game properties. This time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game properties, and this time type -skip_launcher, close the tab, launch the game and check. Step 9 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, click on allow an app through control folder access, click yes to allow, then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have installed the game on Steam, go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the 007 First Light game folder, then open the retail folder and then look for 007 First Light exe file, select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding to the list, go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, open the retail folder and then select 007 First Light exe file, select it and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the 007 First Light game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Step 10 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the 007 First Light game folder, then open the retail folder and then look for 007 First Light exe file, select it and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list, then expand it, and then next to GPU preference, click on this drop down and select high performance, and after selecting the high performance, go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Step 11 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, 007 First Light game folder, then open the retail folder. Now first double click on the 007 First Light exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on 007 First Light exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab. In the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the 007 First Light exe file and see if that helps or not. If not, then again in the compatibility tab, check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down, select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down, select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve 007 First Light game not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.